He's got a bankruptcy question. Welcome to the Law Show, Tom.
Hi, good morning.
How you doing? What can we do for you?
Okay, my question is that when a person files for bankruptcy, how long could they usually wait, or does it depend on the person that they are going to, to get, to refinance their car or to refinance their house?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of different factors that go into that. The bankruptcy is going to stay on your record for anywhere from 7 to 10 years. It's really hard to refinance a home anyway right now because everyone's houses are underwater, so that's usually the biggest problem. But obviously a bankruptcy is going to have a negative effect on your credit score. How much of an effect it has really depends on things that you do after your bankruptcy to bring you out of that and bring your credit score up. So I can't really give you any kind of specific time to refinance a home. That's something you have to go to your mortgage lender or your bank and just ask them. All you have to do is apply. If they tell you no, then there's things you can do to improve your credit score by maybe even taking out a secured credit card and making all your payments on that so you can increase your credit score because the bankruptcy obviously dropped it. So you need to build it back up if you get denied, but that's something you'd have to talk to your bank about.
Yeah, that was another question I wanted to ask you too. How do you actually build your credit score up?
Yeah, that's one of the big things. Once you get that's one of the myths about bankruptcy is people think you'll never get a credit card again, but in actuality what happens is the day that you get your discharge from bankruptcy, you get a lot of credit card offers in the mail because the banks and the credit card companies know that you can't file bankruptcy for another 8 years. So if you take out one of those cards and use it wisely and pay it off every month, you can build your credit score back up pretty quickly. I'm seeing people be able to buy new cars after generally somewhere between 2 and 3 years. You're probably not going to get a mortgage until 4 to 5 years, depending on the type of bankruptcy you had and things that you've done. But those are all things you can do to help yourself out.
Does that answer your question for you, Tom?
Yes, you did.
All right, well, thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW.